What's inside this course? A lot of people shy away from talking about YouTube automation strategies, but we're spilling every detail about how we dominate on YouTube at a massive scale. This is going to include some of the fundamental strategies and ideas behind creating viral YouTube videos, as well as advanced automation techniques for making your channel successfully run itself. Inside this course, you'll find modules that give you a step-by-step guide on building and maintaining a YouTube automation business. First, we'll walk you through the all-important topic of selecting a niche to create videos for. Some niches are certainly better than others when it comes to YouTube automation, so we'll tell you what you need to consider if you're about to start a brand new channel. The next module is all about finding topics for your niche. One of the biggest keys to success with YouTube automation is creating content that consistently resonates with your audience. On Factsverse, we publish 3 long-form videos every single day, yet we never run out of video ideas. This is because of our efficient topic selection strategies that supply us with practically unlimited video ideas. And we'll show you how you can do the exact same thing for absolutely any niche. Then we'll dive into some of the intricacies of automated YouTube video creation, starting with video scripting. Without a good script, your video is sure to fail. We've created thousands of videos at this point, and we've fine-tuned our scripting processes to an exact format that hooks and engages viewers. We'll share our internal guidelines and training documents and where to find the best writers to execute on them. The next module is all about editing, and it includes the exact guidelines and training documents we use to train our editing team. We'll show you how to create a consistent look across all of your videos when using more than one editor. We'll also show you creative ways to source footage from around the web and the perfectly legal ways we avoid copyright claims by following the legal doctrine known as fair use. Once you have all of these pieces in place, you need to hire some freelancers to get things in motion. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. But after working with hundreds of freelancers, we've cracked the code to success. Scriptwriters, voiceover artists, video editors, and virtual assistants are just a few of the team members you'll need to find. And we'll tell you exactly how to lock down great, long-term talent at affordable rates. Once you've determined the components of your automation videos and have your freelance teams in place, it's time to actually automate the business. The final segment of our course breaks down the automation process we have in place for every step of production, from scripting to video uploading. This is absolutely essential if you want your business to run itself. Otherwise, you're going to spend countless hours coordinating with your team and getting bogged down in the day-to-day operations of your channel. We'll show you step-by-step how to set these up for yourself and even share a copy and paste template you can use to kickstart your automation. Finally, we have a few bonus modules to help you maximize your growth and success with the YouTube automation business model. This includes dedicated sections on YouTube Shorts and a few tutorials on some of the most valuable tools we use on a day-to-day basis. Plus, we'll continue updating and adding more modules over time. On top of all of this information, we're sharing every one of our training documents, SOPs, automation formulas, and more, so you can download them and implement them immediately after joining the course. You can find a full list of these provided materials in the course description. Finally, all of our course members get access to an exclusive chat group where you can connect with us and others in the space.